Welcome to day 6 of our presentation of 5 Luo words a day. And stick around because today we have 6 words. The first word is abogno. Abogno. Abogno means a prematurely born lamb that ends up surviving the birth. Abogno. Abogno. The second one is abok. Abok, sometimes known as abam. Abam, and abam means sideways. Abok or abam. The third word of the day is aboka. Aboka. Aboka is maize or anything that has been boiled. So, if you boil maize, you say oduma mar aboka. That is boiled maize. Oduma mar aboka. We also have boiled potatoes. So you say rabuon mar aboka. Rabuon mar aboka. The fourth one is aboke. Aboke. Aboke is sometimes known as abach. Abach. It means paralysis caused by a stroke to one side of the body. Paralysis by stroke is known as aboke or abach. The fifth one is aboke. Aboke. Aboke are sheep or goat ears. The long sheep or goat ears are called aboke. Aboke. And the last one, this is a bonus, is aboke. Aboke. We also had aboge in the last video. So aboge or aboke are edible grasshoppers. Edible grasshoppers are called aboge or aboge. Aboke or aboge. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you tomorrow.